Now I will show you how to remove this tungsten rod and how to check this pipe the height of the tungsten rod using the gauge, this 1.6 mm gauge. I will show you now. So now to make the loose of a tungsten rod, take a Allen key from the toolbox and you can make a loose from here. You can rotate anti-clockwise so it will be loose. Now it is getting loose. Now take a tube and keep inside this. You can put inside. Now take this gauge and you can put from here. And now using one more tungsten rod, you can press from back side of this gear. You can see a hole here, so you can press from here. So you can press from here to the forward, so it will move. After going, you can make a tight of the tungsten rod by using clockwise direction. Slowly you can tight. So now it is get tight. You can see it is tight or not. Now remove the gauge and the thickness should be, the gap should be 1.6 by using this gauge. Now rotate using the head forward and backward. Now rotate.
Position.
Before starting the welding machine, you want to put this for a equal length like this, then close the head. Now I will show you how to weld this tube welding. This tube dia is 6.35 and thickness is 1 mm. Now I will show you how to change this sockets, all the sockets, how to remove and replace a new one. I will show you. So first make a loose of the screws and you can make it upward like this, and you can remove like this and this, and by using Allen key, by using this key you can remove it here. You can rotate anti-clockwise so it will be loose like this. This. Now you can remove like this. Now you can keep it safe in a safe way in a toolbox. Same like that you can remove all remaining all this one, and then opposite direction remaining two also same in a same way you can remove. You can remove like this. Now I want to do a welding for tube size is 6.35. So for this requirement, take the same size this jig. It will be written on the job like CA 6.35. It will be written on this. So now we want to fix this one to like here in the same way. One is here and one is ఇంకోటి తీసుకో. And you can make it tight by rotating anti-clockwise. And you can fix one more at this position. And you can make screw tight at here. In the same way, you can make here and here also. By using an L key, this key, you can make it tight. Now we changed this all the four sides. We have changed this one, this jigs. Now I will show you how to put pudging caps to this tube for this one. So from the toolbox you can take this size of a pudging caps. Just simply you can put this one in here, inside, put inside this, and by putting you can press and you can make one round of pudging tape also, no? Then you can connect pudging out pipe to this tube, welding tube. Now you can put this one to the head in the same way. Now you can adjust the tungsten rod. Now I will show you how to adjust tungsten rod as per this tube. This type tube thickness is 6.35. So now I will adjust this tungsten rod as per this tube. So to rotate this gear, please press forward or reverse by on the head of the machine. If you pressing like this, it will be rotate. Now you can check using a gauge. This gauge is available in the toolbox. Just simply you can put and you can fix, and now make a loose this tungsten rod, and by using one more tungsten rod you can place from the back side of the tungsten rod like this. Once you press, you can make a tight of the tungsten rod. Now it's tight. Now remove this gauge. Now the space between tube and the tungsten rod is okay. It's good. It is 1.6 mm gap. The gap size is 1.6 mm. Now you can make a forward. You can check throughout the head. Now you can close this one and you can make tight. You can make it tight. After that you can close this one. Again you can make it tight. Now the complete setup from 12.7 tube to 6.35 tube is complete to this head. Now I will show how to set up the welding machine. Now I will show you how to join these two tubes into a single one. After making a cut, you can do facing of this tube face by using this drill machine. By using this drill machine and facing, you can make a facing. You can do like this. Now make a one tack weld on the center of the tube, of the center of the joint. A small drop is enough. Now is enough. After making a tack welding, you can clean this weld joint using a IPA. Now clean this point by using IPA. Now fix these pudging caps on the both the end of the tube. One side from pudging is coming and one more side the pudging will be go. So now I want to fix this center point to this center of the junction. So you can place by seeing the center. You can see how we are going to fix. You can check the center by using your eyesight, and you can lock right side one first. You can lock. After the complete tight, you can lock the second one as well. You can lock this one. Now I will show you how to make all the screen settings. I will show you. So before that, you can check the gas check. While you pressing and holding, the gas will be raising there. You can see. When I am pressing this key, the gas check button, the gas is rising there in the regulator. Now you can check the purge gas also in a same way. Now I will show you how to import this same automatic welding for the 6.5 tube. Press on the run. When it is in the set mode, click on the next. Go to set parameter. Then on the auto mode, you can press in the next. Now select our head type. Our head type is CA25. Select and go on next. Then select the thickness of the tube, size of a tube. Our size is 6.35. Click on 6.35. Then select thickness of a tube. Our tube thickness is 1 mm. Click on 1 mm. Then automatically the memory location is came 66. To start a welding, click on set. Then it will come and run. Before starting the welding, you can check it is in welding mode or in test mode. It should be need in weld mode only. After checking all this parameter, you can check tube dia is 6.3 and thickness of a tube is 1 mm, and you can start the welding now. You can start from here. Now welding is started. Pre-flow time, purging time is 30 seconds. We need to wait for welding before 30 seconds. Now the welding is started. You can see how a tube is welding in a circular motion. you can see how much current is using while welding and what is the speed of a welding it is showing there, and you can see how much percentage is completed in a tube. After completion of welding, it will take again 30 seconds for purging. After purging, post load time remaining is 30 seconds. Now welding is completed. After completion of welding, you can turn off the purge gas and you can put this run mode into set mode and go to the 8, and you can slowly remove this one, and you can remove this one. You can remove, and you can remove this one also, and you can see how the welding is. You can see. If you require more height or more power, then you can adjust in this all the screen. That video I already shared in the before video, how to set the welding speed and current, how to adjust based upon our welding. If welding is not good, if it was deep, then you can adjust the current in a manual way in the welding machine. Now I will show you how the welding is inside of a tube. This is how welding outside and off. This is a cut piece, cut sample. Now I will show you how the welding is for a tube. This is outside of a tube. You can see the welding, how it is. And you can see the inside welding as well as I will show you. I'll put here. Okay, I will send the photos also. You can see the inside welding and the outside welding also.